In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your TikTok seller account to your regular TikTok account. So let's come to click on link account. And then we can click on link official account. And let's log into your TikTok account on your phone and go to your home page and click on these three lines on the upper right. Click on my QR code and then click on this icon. And you'll be able to scan the QR code on your computer screen. And when you scan it, you may get this error in your first time. It's very common. It says this TikTok account has not completed the identity verification. So let me show you how to fix it. It's very simple. So what we're going to do next is click on learn more, and then it will take you to the instructions page. Let's scroll down and stop where it says seller to do. And you also see like a big QR code here. So let's go back to your phone, go to the three lines and then my QR code. Click the icon on the upper right again so you can scan the code and go ahead to scan this QR code. And they will take you to the identity verification form. So all you got to do is to fill out your basic information. And when you're done, just scroll down and click on proceed to review. Confirm your information is accurate and click on submit. And after you submit your information, you should see this message, identity verification successful. Congratulations, you can now promote products from TikTok Shop. Click on got it. Alright, so let's come back to the TikTok Shop Seller Center and let's try again to link the account, just like how we did it before in the first time. So let's click on link account, link official account, and then go to my QR code. Click on this icon and then scan the QR code. Click on continue and then check the checkboxes. Click on link this account. And then you should see congratulations, your TikTok account is linked. So that's how you correctly link your account between the TikTok Shop Seller Center and your regular TikTok account, or it's called official TikTok account. Click on got it. And this is what you'll see. You'll see your TikTok Shop Seller account here and your regular TikTok account here. So this is how you link your TikTok Shop Seller account to your regular TikTok account.